Are you interested in a budget pair of earbuds? Well, this is the OnePlus Buds unboxing, and I'm going to open it up so we can check it out. So yeah, there's a little illustration of the OnePlus Buds Pro onto the right, and there's a whole bunch of Chinese illustration on the back. This costs around $150. This is the ASMR part. Let's get right into it.
It's red and white, which is OnePlus's signature colors. So let's open this up.
These look very similar to the AirPods Pro. They look like a matte back version with the chrome bottoms. So unfortunately for these particular earbuds, you cannot actually use the app unless you have the OnePlus app, which is only available on OnePlus phones. So unfortunately, I was not able to test the actual app because I don't have a OnePlus phone. And if you want to check out my phone review, I will link it at the end of the video. You can just click it on it, and it's basically the Poco F3. So right over here we have the box, and I just put the earbuds to the side, and yeah, this is a lot of Chinese. So very nice buds for life over here. Very red. I like the aesthetics to it, and there's a lot of silicone tips on the bottom, so it's pretty neat. And the case is pretty large compared to other Buds cases I've used. Let's take a look at this paper manual. Never settle, and a whole bunch of other junk. So yeah, just opening up this should be the USB Type-C cable, and it is actually tiny. Taking a look, super tiny. It's crazy how that they just ship these USB Type-C cables in the box. And it has that red accent. And then over here we have the earbuds. They are interchangeable, so basically you have the medium ones already on the earbuds themselves, and then here you have the pair of large and small, and basically just unboxing these things. And then once I do that, let's get on to the actual earbuds themselves. ASMR time. So this does have noise cancellation and smart adaptive noise cancellation, as well as ambient mode, as well as two 11-meter dynamic drivers and an IP55 water and sweat resistance. Now I did notice some quality control problem. It basically made this popping sound with ANC on, which I'll get into in the next video. ASMR time. If you want my opinions, don't forget to check out the next video, and here's some more ASMR. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.